You see the taste of Africa, the aloha. It means
It's gorgeous. Would you say call it?
aloha.
Aloha.
The other kind of the flowers.
Okay, aloha.
Yeah.
Okay. Mhm.
Están preciosos.
Gina la Colinani. Desafortunadamente, I don't think we can. Yeah, we can't bring any art with us because this can be magnets. Thank you.
Yeah. Hi, Jumbo.
Hello, Jump.
Welcome.
Hello, Asante. So you're looking for magnets, huh? Míralo ahí. I'm calling somebody by accident. Do all of these magnets have the same price, or each
Yeah,
one's a
same
different
price.
How much are they?
So it depends. If you take several, we give a
Okay.
package price. Just select the ones you like together with something else. I give a wholesale price.
Okay, okay.
That's better than individual.
How much are they? Like 5 magnets?
That's,
Well, it depends.
5 magnets will be 3,000 shillings.
Let me count.
But as I said, if you take several, we give a package.
Mm-hmm.
The package is better.
Let's see which one she likes.
Okay.
See which one she likes. I'm gonna make some suggestions to her. We'll see what she says.
La otra no debe reservas.
¿Qué pasa?
Yo se lo puse de un instante a Ru. Al instante.
This one or a different one? Pick one. I think these look the nicest. This one, it's like it just looks more modern. But whatever you like, that's the point. Got a lot of stuff. Wow, it is a big shop. He's not lying.
Dame.
Wow. What do you want me to?
¿Eso es un juego o se venden separados?
They look like no. Everything you can. I mean, I'm como muy flexible.
¿Se venden separados?
Yes, you can do separate. I'm sure. Where would I find like a maybe here like a little lion, a little wood lion, a small wood lion.
So you have this type. So like this one.
Mm-hmm. Something like
That's
that.
a teca.
It's not bad. I like that one.
Now so you can compare
Let's
this.
see this one. Mm-hmm.
So you have another one here. Compare the one.
That one. Got a little weight to it. That one's nice. I like this guy and
Okay.
this guy.
Okay.
Of these two, I'm gonna keep looking though, just to
Okay,
see. As if you said, each one is made by a different person.
Yeah. They're all different.
Yep.
Para Gabriel.
So you have another ebony. This ebony.
Mmm. Wow, it's heavy. This one's a heavy one. It's a heavy
Ebony
wood.
is heavy.
It's solid wood.
Yeah.
Mira estos.
I like the ones that smell at the front too. Those are nice.
This is a rose.
Another cat. Rosewood.
Yeah. that's
Okay.
rose, yeah. With a lot of grains.
That's pretty. How long do you think it takes them to make something like that? Like a day?
Take quite, no.
Less.
You see, it's a log, a very hard wood.
Uh-huh.
Now you have to chisel it out, then to
Uh-huh.
yeah. It's
You have to cut it good and then polish it too.
Then you
Smooth it out?
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you saddle it.
So more than one day?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
It take quite a long. Because to do it, you see, and also it's wood, it can break.
Yeah,
So
that's
if
true.
you hit cook with
You have to be careful.
Yeah. It's not easy.
They got pipes. Man, my smoking days are over with. I definitely want to find me a lion here. Let's see. Si tú ves otro jirafa que te gusta, tú puedes entrarlo. Podemos cambiarlo. Me gusta ese jirafa hasta ahora. Está bien. Está bien. Ando buscando un león. Pero con los dientes un poco más.
Filosos.
Ujú.
Él se ve muy chill.
Ujú. Let's see here.
Un cuchillo de madera. Estos estarían bien como para que abriera el corte y una fruta, una banana, lo que sea.
Vamos a decir que toda la cosa tuya fue como 3 estatuas, o quizás 2, right? Y yo tenía 6. Sí, yo estoy pensando. Sí, yo estoy pensándolo en como estatua, entonces mira, es en, if we had, let's say 8 or 9, right? Eso fue 16, yo me sentía bien, 124. Si lo dividimos por 9, wait, eso es como $13 cada cosa. Yo me siento como que eso está bien. Como 13 cada estatua. Hello,
Tukosawa?
we are, yes, Wukusawa.
Tukosawa. Are we
Oh,
okay?
Yeah, we are okay.
Ah, good. Tukosawa
Sime sawa.
is Tukosawa.
Sisi. How would I say we are okay? Sisi
Nyinyi muko sawa.
Nyinyi muko sawa.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Good.
Okay.
But all of you,
Uh-huh.
tuko sawa.
Tuko sawa.
Yes.
Okay.
We are okay and good.
I feel like I paid an okay price. I feel like, you know, it's hard to know, but I feel like I was pretty comfortable. It was about, so let's say if I bought about this size of a statue, right? Smaller statues. If I bought 10 of those, how much would that be normally? It's hard to say.
Here in Israel.
I feel very comfortable with what I paid, but like that's not it.
That's good. That's
Uh-huh.
Eh?
Mambo bwana.
Wako na njaa. Wako na njaa.
You don't
Karibu.
want to take
Photos.
a picture with Masai?
Do you want to take pictures? Hey, she
Come,
says
come,
we'll do the
Amekataa. Mrembo amekataa.
when we go to Masai Mara, I'm sure we'll do some pictures there.
Oh, you go to Masai Mara?
Uh-huh.
Okay, you want to do the Tanzania?
Well, we were gonna do Masai Mara here in Kenya,
Okay.
and then go over to Arusha to do
Okay.
como Ngorongoro
Ngorongoro.
and Serengeti,
Okay.
and maybe one other, whatever, like a small tour group, whatever they charge. It's not too much. We could definitely contact you to help us get over there once we go.
Oh.
I think that will be, we're gonna be in Kenya until almost February. So once we, it's gonna be like January, like the end of January.
Oh, end of the January.
So we're gonna be here for a while, so we can definitely keep calling you.
Good.